In late 60s, a man named Joe went off to Vietnam to do two things. He wanted to serve his country and he wanted to come home to the greatest sports car in America, the 1970 Chevelle SS. So he became a door gunner in a Huey, which has a life expectancy typically measured in weeks or months, not years. He managed to survive 3 years in Vietnam, to come back, and on his way home, when he found out how much the LS6 454 Chevelle was, he extended for 6 more months in Vietnam so that he could afford to get the Chevelle with everything. He came back, he had the money, he had the desire, and his father would not let him have the car. He said, you're not going to get the LS 454, you're not going to get the 4-speed, you're not going to get the positive traction, you're not even getting bucket seats, you're getting a bench seat. So he bought the best car he was allowed to have, and 50 years later he knocked on my door and he said, Dan, can I have the car that I wanted in 1970? An LS6, 4-speed, positive traction, bucket seat, console, asphalt burning monster? We said yes, and we built it together. Joe, congratulations, you've got one hell of a car.